Hi, welcome. Sure, I'm going to tell you how it all started. Once upon a time, at the Mexican Dental Association Foundation, we had a dream to diminish dental caries in Mexican children. For many years, public and private dentists have tried to diminish the burden of oral disease, especially dental caries. But as we know, the amount of sugar in food has increased the number of dental caries in the world. After a lot of brainstorming, we came up with the idea to create something really disruptive. Create a law on daily brushing for all the kids in public schools in Mexico City. We approached the Ministry of Education of Mexico City, and we were very lucky to introduce daily brushing in 30,000 kids that would stay after hours in school, wash their hands, have a healthy meal, warm and non-carcinogenic, and they would proceed to brush their teeth in a supervised way before they engage in other sports and artistic activities. After signing a contract with the Mexico City Minister of Education, Dr. Mara Robles, we approached Colgate, which of course, proving once again their social responsibilities, agreed to provide all the toothpaste, all the toothbrush, and all the educational materials needed for the program. Of course, we needed an independent study, so we approached the National University through their School of Dentistry, and we had the chief epidemiologist measure what happened with these kids that were brushing every day. Now, to be really disruptive, we got greedy. So 30,000 kids in Mexico City were not enough. And a program is subjected to continue proving. So we came up with the idea to approaching the Congress in Mexico City and make a law for mandatory brushing in kindergarten and elementary public schools. The law was written in such a way that every child will be provided by the Mexico City government at the beginning of the school year with a special oral health kit that had one toothpaste and one toothbrush for home and one toothpaste and one toothbrush for the classroom. The law was presented in the Mexico City Congress, it was sent to different committees to be vetted, and when it came back, it was so exciting to be at the Mexico City Congress in the floor the day the law was accepted with no abstentions and no votes against. It was the first time that a city not only passed a law on daily brushing, but it came up with a budget to buy toothpaste and toothbrush for children in kindergarten and elementary schools. In celebration of the law, Colgate donated 2.5 million toothpaste and toothbrush so every child in Mexico City would have a kit with two of each to do the homework and to keep one in the classroom. As I told you before, you get greedy. So now 1.25 million kids in Mexico City were not enough. It was time to conquer the rest of the country. The law in Mexico City was signed on April 19th, 2017. And for the past 2 years, we've been working to make this nationwide. Hard work pays off. So this year, on Oral Health Day, the law was presented in the Mexico Senate. Once this law will pass, it will benefit 28 million children in Mexico. Now it includes private and public schools. At the same time, we've been creating special laws on different states of the country. During the past 6 months, we've been approached by people from 7 states of Mexico in order to create special laws in their states. I hope that in the next few years, we will be able to say that in Mexico, every child will brush happily ever after.